All right, greetings everyone. This is an update. Started narrowing down our headquarters in the Uganda-Nigeria Imperial Administration, Autonomous Community Leagues, Egbe Bantu, Chang Lienbog, UNIAACL-EACL, or UNIAACL-EACL. But basically, we're looking at structuring a new UNIA based on Uganda, Nigeria, Igbo land, basically Igbo land, and the Haitian Empire, basically. We have the Mali Empire near Igbo land, and the Kanem Bornu Nile Empire stretching into Sudan and Libya and Algeria, I think. All surrounding Igbo land, we have the Bantu, which is where Uganda comes in. So a mega empire inspired by Haiti, and Haiti inspired by our ancestors. So basically, we're having an issue where the UNIA of old used to be a Pan-Caribbean association. Basically, you get all the local Caribbean communities forming a league in a local area. But nowadays, it's just individuals who remember the UNIA and they transform it to whatever they want it to be. You know, if it's in Jamaica, it's mostly Jamaicans. If it's in America, it's mostly African Americans. But you're supposed to have representation from every Caribbean, or you call it Ameri-Caribbean or diaspora. Everyone's supposed to have their own union in the UNIA, and their own president or king or chief, representing the community that wants to belong together. And then you get into African kingdoms and tribes, villages that want self-determination and develop themselves. And that's years of politics and navigating who could be trusted. Having a local federation of Caribbean people, African kings, that will get you into their communities to promote federating Africa. Africa being a Black continent, controlling it for Black people. That's a long haul, and then you have to duplicate it across the world. So we settled on Barbados, Houston, Greater Houston, and Greater Memphis with the Republic of New Africa movement. We added Alabama to the Gullah Geechee states to have a eastern portion headed into the Caribbean. So the Gullah Geechee, the Kush district of New Africa in Texas. We got a new Black Panther Party connection that we're working on. The DMV, we're looking at like 3 diaspora headquarters, or Uganda, Nigeria headquarters, Madagascar, South India, the Biafra Republic government in exile with Simon Ekpa and Nnamdi Kanu, who's a prince with his own kingdom. We're looking at community liaisons and liaison offices. So everything, we're just working on things. Everything's touch and go. But with the Merikins of Trinidad and Tobago with their Florida, Tallahassee, Negro Fort connections. There was also a Negro Fort in St. Augustine connected to Haiti. The Denmark VC was connected to Haiti. Prince Hall with the Freemasons connected to Barbados. Barbados connected to Gullah Geechee, who are connected to the Merikins of Trinidad. So Jamaica, we're getting in there, Trinidad, Barbados with the Garifuna and St. Vincent and Grenadines. There's an Igbo Paramount Chief, Trevor Garifuna. He's connected to he has his own autonomous communities as Garifuna. He's connected to the Igbo. He's connected to West Papua freedom fighters. So yeah, that's it. It's a big network. We're just jumbling everything together and trying to get it structured in Barbados now instead of Jacksonville and spread out. But we're marching in Jacksonville too. Everything's, it's hard to report these things as they go, but we're just working on things. We're gonna have a Caribbean Houston Association meeting with Haitian leadership. So Desaline's energy is there. So we're basically trying to do things and move, not trying to do things for social media, trying to make the news with action, not just, posting on social media or Facebook with 3Ks. So that's it. That's the report. We'll see what happens.